What is up, YouTube? This is your boy Ace Ace. Don't forget the Jiffy because I'm too motherfucking flippy, no cap. And today, you know what I'm saying? We got the lawnmower fixed yesterday. So I mean, guess what? We back in business. We back in business. About to get the cooking grass. Got stray dogs out outside. It's not even a stray dog. I'm going to that dog's house right now because I think that grass needs to be cut. But shit, that's crazy. But we back in business. About to get to cutting grass. Trying to see who needs that grass cut right now. We're gonna try to get we're trying to get more than 5 yards today. 5 yards. Not a for sure number, but we're gonna try to get more than 5. But let's go and get ready. You know, I get to y'all whenever I get my first yes. I'm not gonna say nothing else. I get to y'all when I get my first yes. It's I've been out here, okay, I came out here like 1 o'clock, 1:30, and now it's 3 o'clock. But right now, I'm about to go back to the house. I got shit. I walked all the way to a new neighborhood. I know where to come now. So as soon as I get done with my shit, I'm coming right back out here to this little part of the neighborhood. Because I see a lot of uncut grass. We'll see whenever I get ready to come back out here though. Look at this shit, my stomach hurt like hell. So, yeah, we got this problem again. So, I don't know exactly what happened, but all I know is this thing just started tripping, and it didn't want to start up no more. The motor got loose, and it just wouldn't want to start up no more. So now I'm about to try to fix it again. It's annoying trying to fix it over and over again, but at the same time, if it needs to be fixed over and over again, it gotta get fixed. You know what I'm saying? I don't know exactly what's going on right now, to be honest. Alrighty, so I fixed it myself this time. We're gonna see if we did it the correct way. I'm hoping that we did it the correct way because it took me so much time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah, it might be the correct way. Hopefully, Jesus Christ, please let it be the correct way so we can get back to mowing yards. You know what I'm saying? So it's been all day and we have not got, we're on our first yard basically right now. But before I start back, this is one thing I just want to do real quick. Let me just pray. Because I just want to say, I just want to pray. I just want to ask God, you know, to just help me. Like, because now I got a lot of stuff that I got to get done. And this is all a part of it. What? If they don't take out my money, I don't want them. But yeah. My brother, they paid me to cut the yard because we always about to pitch in and pay somebody else. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it and make that little quick cash, you know, from both of them. But okay, dear Heavenly Father, I just want to come to you today and I'm gonna ask you to help me and guide me. You know, wrap your hands around me. Not even say just wrap your hands around me. I just want you to be inside of me and be inside the lawnmower and just make sure that nothing happens to it. We have a really successful day from here on. Now we didn't have good going on past in the past 5 times. You know, we didn't have good, but please let the rest of the day be nothing but good. In the Lord's name I pray, just please be with me and be with me throughout this whole thing. I got a lot of stuff I gotta get done with you, and I know I will be able to get it done. I just want to ask you to watch out for me and be with me as I get this done. In the Lord's name I pray, amen. Just be with me, George. Just be with me and be with everybody that's watching. In the Lord's name I pray, amen. I'm sorry. But that's all I want to say, you know. But let's go ahead and get back to more lawn. I'll see you guys in just 1 second. We fixed the lawnmower just for it to break again. And this motherfucker keep playing with me, bro. Like, now it's just loose. Bro, I'm really getting aggravated, bro. Ain't no lie. I swear, I am not lying to you. Tell me why. I told you it was just messed up. This is what was not letting it start. This is what was not letting it start. It was stuck right there in between the blade and the side, and it was not letting it start. Come on now. Freak, bruh. I'm over here taking it apart, putting it together, taking it apart, putting it together just to see what's really going on. And that's the only problem. That's the only problem. A piece of fucking grass. Come on, Ali, we gotta check next time.
First time going somewhere in public, I ain't ball without no hat on. That's crazy. That was just my first time going somewhere I'm balled up. I feel good. Like,
what is up, YouTube? Dude? Look. This is the video. Look, honestly, personally, I feel good about the ball. Now, yesterday, we had a problem with the lawnmower. Now, today, we're gonna have to go back and we gotta ring it out. We ended up doing a transaction and get it back to him like at 12 o'clock at night. He was knocking on the door. I was sleeping. I was across the street. And then I came back and I saw him outside. So, we did a transaction. We ended up getting it back. But I just want to say, before I go, you do anything you want to. Put your mind to it. Don't let nobody else tell you otherwise. Even if I don't believe in it, that mean I just don't like it. If I say you can, that mean I'm just looking at it like I can't type shit. You know what I'm saying? All it is it's a battle between you and yourself. And you gotta find a way. There's a way around everything. There's a way to create anything that you want to create, but you just gotta make it happen. But let me just say one more thing. Always be happy where you are because somebody wants to be where you are right now. But if you let them pass you up, what are you gonna do about that?
A lot of shit go through my head, that's why I act how I act. I can't describe this pain I'm feeling, no, I can't be exact. I took some losses, got them back, but now I'm on a new track. Feel like I'm on another planet and I don't know where I'm at. This ain't no story, I ain't no storyteller. I know you niggas ain't gon' ride if it's some stormy weather. So I just stay up on my grind, I'm getting to the check.